Determination of genotypic factors associated with lower prevalence of type 2 diabetes mellitus in Raika community of Rajasthan, India. By Millie Jain and Raj Kumar Vyas. Objective: this study was conceptualized to assess genotypic factors associated with the lower prevalence of type 2 diabetes mellitus in the Raika community of Rajasthan, India. Background: the prevalence of diabetes mellitus varies in different geographical regions, ethnic groups, and age groups. Lifestyle factors like sedentary life, smoking, obesity, and dietary factors. Materials and methods: in this study, 114 people from the Raika community and 150 people from the non-Raika community were recruited. Their demographic details: age and sex, anthropometric data, body mass index, and waist to hip ratio. And laboratory parameters like fasting blood glucose, HbA1c, and physiological parameters systolic and diastolic blood pressure were taken into consideration. Results: in the present study, there were 40 females and 74 males from the Raika community and 52 females and 98 males from the non-Raika community. The mean age was 41.14 and 46.93 in Raika and non-Raika communities. The fasting blood glucose, HbA1c levels, and physiological parameters were significantly lower in the Raika community, p less than 0.05. The AG allele of the ARNT gene was more frequently seen in individuals with lower fasting blood glucose, and no individual studied had the AA allele. The distribution of ARNTG1511, a genotype and allele type in subjects of Raika and non-Raika communities with fasting blood sugar, was compared. In the Raika community, 97.5% of subjects had fasting blood sugar levels below 126 mg per deciliter, compared to non-Raika where only 38.6% of individuals had a fasting blood sugar below 126 mg per deciliter. Conclusion: in individuals with or without diabetes, the genetic variant under investigation has the same frequency of distribution in both Raika and non-Raika populations. One major contributing cause to the decreased prevalence of diabetes mellitus in the Raika community is thought to be their leanness and improved glucose regulation. The socio-economic and occupational environment of the members, which need to be explored further along with the genetic factors, may better account for the leanness and better control over the glucose levels in the Raika community. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.